Hi. So as usual, I was contacted on Facebook to fix a bike, and when the guy came, I saw this bike. It looks quite expensive. The problem was it's not switching on, and yeah, he said it was earlier switching on, and now suddenly it's not switching on. When it came, I saw so much of wiring. I suspect there was a wiring issue, nothing big with controller or motor. So I thought first I should check the price of the bike. So I just
Such a fatty bike, Australia, Carib Australia. Yeah, okay, this one looks similar, or maybe same. So 2600. Not bad. So
it's a $2,600 bike, or let's say $2,000 plus bike. So I tried solving what I can do. So first thing I wanted to check is I'm getting power till the controller or not. So these are the switch, these are the plugs for positive and negative. So if I'm getting power here, that means connection from this battery through all the wires from here till here, it's all okay. If I'm not getting power here, that means something is problem this side, and everything is all maybe everything is okay this side. So let's check it. So finally I'm able to hook up the multimeter probes to the Anderson plugs that is coming from the battery, and I have set up the multimeter at 200 volt because uh, the e-bike this e-bike battery is 36 volt, and uh, for 36 volt battery the voltage range between mostly 32 volt to 42 volt. So it should be above 20 volt and in the range of 200 volt. Okay, let's check if I get voltage at Anderson plug or not. So right now I'm getting 41.8 volt. Yeah, that seems good. uh, and it's pretty steady, but previously when I was doing, I was getting this voltage fluctuation, and what I realized is the voltage fluctuation was coming from here. So now you see 39.7 volt. So yeah, and it's fluctuating. So most probably there is some problem, or it's 39.7, 38. Okay, so there's some problem, some loose connection, I don't know where. So I just tried shaking the this wire. So yeah, after doing this struggle, I realized that this switch is suspected to be broken, because whenever I'm pressing the switch, the voltage changes. So most probably there's something wrong here, most probably here, that is causing this voltage change, and this is not working. However, I'll plug it again, and then at this voltage I will try that if I'm able to switch on the bike again. So earlier we were not able to switch on the bike, and now let's see. Anyhow, let's check if it is able to switch on or not. No. So I'm not able to switch on, I'm not getting voltage. Switch is on, something is wrong, I don't know what. So let's unplug it and then see if I'm getting the voltage or not. Yeah, so what I observe is whenever I'm switching on with the load, then voltage is going zero. So it might possible that the controller is broken, and whenever there is a load, controller is getting short circuit or something like that. So, or maybe there is something wrong with this switch, and because of that, whenever there is a load, uh, switch is not working properly. So let's find out what is the issue and how can we resolve it. For this, first, what I am thinking that I will bypass the switch and then try to put a load. If the bike works, then it's the switch problem. Let's see. Oh, I had few sparks here while I was doing. I'm little curious how can I bypass the switch. So still not getting power here. So let's see. So past few minutes I was trying to switch on the bike by bypassing the switch, but after seeing some sparks, I thought it's better to change the switch. So I come to Google and then I search few of the switches, and then actually it's called rocket switch. So, and it's all available between $3, $4, $5 all over the place. I found one just nearby my house. It's $3, so most probably I will go there just next door. However, these switches are available in market on AliExpress from 50 cents to $2, $3, $4, and yeah, even on eBay for $10 you will get 5 switches, or $12 you will get 5 switches. So not that expensive, cheap switch. Hopefully this is the problem and I will be able to change this switch from here, and this bike will start working again. Cool. So finally I am ready with my new switch. I have soldering iron, soldering paste, some wires and shrink tube. So let's begin. I have connected the switch and then to the fuse as well, and now let's check if the bike is ready or not. Oh, let's see if it works. Oh, voila! So bike is ready, and yeah, wheel is running. So all good. I'll finish it up, wrap it, and go for a test ride. Yeah, so I'm testing this bike. Now it's working perfectly fine. And here you can see. Cool.